Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Allstate app alerts for claims and payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Allstate app on your smartphone. Log in using your credentials if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on the home screen, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner. Tap on the menu icon to open the navigation panel. Look for the option labeled Account Settings and select it. In the Account Settings section, find the Notifications option. Tap on Notifications to view your alert settings. You will see categories for claims and payments. Select the Claims category to adjust alert settings related to claims. Here, you can toggle alerts for claim updates and status changes. If you want notifications for every claim activity, ensure the toggle is in the on position. Next, go back to the Notifications section and in the Payments category, you can manage alerts for payment confirmations and upcoming payment reminders. Similar to claims, toggle the relevant options on or off according to your preferences. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured as desired. Once you're satisfied with your selections, exit the menu. Your alerts for claims and payments are now configured. You will receive timely notifications based on your preferences set in the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.